You want to enable microphone apps on your iPhone like this when you open your keypad. The first thing you have to do is to go to the settings button and tap on it. Now go to general, tap on general. From option that comes up here, locate and tap on keyboard. Now under keyboard, locate and tap on this button that says enable dictation. Tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes out like this. Dictation send information like your voice input, contacts, and location to Apple when necessary for processing your request. Tap on edit this button. Now that I've tapped on edit this button, then go and open any message apps on your device, like your message, like your WhatsApp, then tap on it, then tap on this place, guys. You can see that the mic has been enabled. Let's process on how to enable microphone on your keyboard apps on your iPhone keyboard. If you get this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.